Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create unique pixel art in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva desktop version. You can download it for free and install into your system. And don't forget to sign in with your account. And let's start by click apps and then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find the pixel art studio. Create unique pixel art. Turn images into pixel art. So go from image to unique retro inspired art in moments with pixel art. So let's start by click use in new design. Choose your canvas, and also make sure you have a good internet connection in order to generate. So here you can choose file. Let's start with this one, creating pixel art from your image. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. And here we go, this is the result. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.